Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable app notifications in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, open the app in which you want to enable or disable app notifications. So from here just simply tap on app to open and then click on notifications. Now here you will see a allow notifications button. So if you want to disable app notifications, then tap on this button to turn it off. And if you want to enable the app notifications, then tap on this button again to turn it on. So with this button you can enable or disable app notifications in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.